Are you tired of guessing distances on the golf course or while hunting? Struggling with expensive rangefinders that are hard to use? In this video, we're showing the best budget rangefinders for beginners that are simple, accurate, and affordable. Say goodbye to frustration and missed shots, and discover tools that make measuring distances effortless. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the MiLESEEY PF2E range. Finder stands out as a simple and affordable option for beginners. It offers reliable performance for hunting and outdoor measuring tasks. With a compact size of 110x73x43mm, it fits comfortably in one hand, making it easy to carry anywhere. This model features a 7 degrees wide field of view, allowing users to spot targets quickly. It also delivers accurate readings with a precision of plus or minus 0.5 yards. Because of this, beginners can measure distances with confidence. Moreover, the device supports rain and fog mode, which ensures consistent results in difficult weather. Its bow mode further adds value for hunting enthusiasts. Even better, it includes an auto height function for quick vertical measurements. Powered by a long-lasting battery, this Class 2 laser rangefinder offers up to 656 yards of reliable distance measuring. Overall, it becomes a budget-friendly tool perfect for new users looking for accuracy and simplicity. Next up, the Nohawk Golf Laser Rangefinder is a versatile tool, perfect for beginners and outdoor enthusiasts. Designed for both golf and hunting, it offers precise distance measurements up to 1,000 meters. Its compact size of 98x68x38mm makes it easy to carry, while the lightweight 140 grams body ensures comfort during long use. This multifunctional rangefinder features flag lock and slope compensation, giving golfers accurate readings even on uneven terrain. Hunters will also benefit from its high-precision measurement, with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 meter. Built with a rugged, rainproof design, the Nohawk rangefinder performs reliably in all weather conditions. Its 6x magnification, 24mm objective lens, and 13.2mm eyepiece lens allow clear viewing of distant targets. Additionally, the rechargeable USB battery provides eco-friendly and convenient power. Overall, the Nohawk rangefinder is an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use tool for beginners seeking accuracy in golf and hunting. Let's continue with the REVASRI Golf Laser Rangefinder is a perfect choice for beginners looking for accuracy and affordability. Designed for golf, hunting, and surveying, it covers distances from 500 to 600 yards and up to 1,000 yards for long-range tasks. Its compact design makes it easy to carry on the course or in the field. This rangefinder features slope and flag lock modes, providing precise measurements even on uneven terrain. Users also benefit from vibration feedback, delivering instant confirmation when a target is measured. The multi-layer coated eyepiece ensures bright and clear views, even in low-light conditions. Additionally, its USB rechargeable battery adds convenience and eco-friendliness, so it's always ready to use. Overall, the REVASRI rangefinder combines accuracy, portability, and budget-friendly pricing, making it an excellent choice for beginners seeking reliable performance in golf and outdoor adventures. Now, let's move on to the SNDWAY M1000 Telescope Laser Rangefinder is an ideal choice for beginners seeking accuracy and affordability. Compact and lightweight at 105x66.4x38mm, it is easy to carry for golf, hunting, or outdoor adventures. This digital rangefinder measures distances from 3 to 1,000 meters with impressive precision. With an accuracy of plus or minus 1 meters plus dx0, 2%, users can rely on it for precise readings in a variety of environments. The fast measuring reaction time ensures results in less than half a second. Equipped with a 6x telescope, 19mm objective lens, and 15mm eyepiece, the M1000 provides clear, bright views. Its 7 degrees field of view makes target spotting quick and simple. Powered by a rechargeable 3.7 volts Li-ion battery, it can perform up to 20,000 measurements. With IP54 protection, it resists dust and splashes, making it reliable outdoors. Overall, the SNDWAY M1000 is a budget-friendly, compact, and dependable rangefinder for beginners. Finally, we have The ARTBULL Golf Laser Rangefinder is an excellent budget-friendly option for beginners. Compact and lightweight, it measures distances from 5 to 650 meters, with extended capability up to 1,000 meters. This makes it ideal for golf, hunting, and outdoor adventures. Equipped with a 6x magnification telescope and a 6.5 degrees field of view, it provides clear, precise visuals. Users can quickly measure distances in just 0.3 to 1.5 seconds, improving efficiency on the course or in the field. The device includes multiple modes, such as line distance, horizon distance, vertical distance, and height difference. Its slope compensation and flag lock features ensure accurate readings even on uneven terrain. Battery-powered and easy to operate, the ARTBULL Rangefinder is simple, reliable, and perfect for beginners looking for an affordable yet precise tool for golf and outdoor use.